Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a very nice start to the day. While it's only 9:11 a.m., the markets are looking really strong. So we were in Discord yesterday talking about how we can see the markets gapping up overnight. And that's exactly what happened. You can see here on the world markets, everything is in the green, and not just in the green by a little bit, but percentage wise in the green by a lot. The VIX coming down to one of the lower levels that we've seen lately. Very good sign. So what did we do this morning? Now, I also traded BHAT, which is a momentum stock, and I'll go into that trade as well. And I'll also go into my micro E-mini trades and, really just show you guys what I was looking at in the morning. And, having these clear levels planned out, okay? So you can see here, we have a top here, we got a double top here, and then we have a triple top here. Now, what's interesting about this one, this is also coming in to a trend line. So once this trend line, which was support, once it started to break down, you could see all along this trend line, this is a legitimate line. It breaks down, and then we come up. Right here is a multiple confluence, nice A+ setup type of trade. So that's a triple top on top of what was support will now be resistance trend line. So that's a good spot to have gotten short. I did, but I did not get all of that. You can obviously see I only made $31 on this trading. So another spot that I got long was at support. So we saw here this key level was support, and it was support again right here. Support basically since the UK opened up. Very nice. The markets, the futures are actually holding up really well, and that's a good sign. But when we look at, and I'll bring up here the SPY, when we look up the SPY, we're at a very key spot, this 381. This 381 level is a key spot that we need to see break and then hold. So we're going to be opening up right at that area. So will we retest a previous level, or will we retest a low for the pre-market and then maybe continue higher? We do need to see this 381, 382 break. And if it does, then I have up to the 20 EMA that can get hit in a pretty quick amount of time, that 388 level. So, and then we have gaps to fill even after that. So that's what we're looking at for the day overall. And I just want to show you guys my trade here on BHAT, another trend line play. Now, when I'm looking at this and we're under VWAP, there is no way that I want to be trading this when it is showing weakness. So we draw out this trend line. I'm going to make this a little bit thicker for you guys to see. If you're watching on mobile or whatever it is, a little bit easier to see. So you have rejections all along this line. And you can just see from the top over here, down here, and then we're coming up to it. So what am I waiting for? And I'm just going to click here because this trade was very fast, extremely fast. And what am I waiting for here? The break of this trend line. I'm not chasing it here. I'm not buying it at 345. I'm waiting for the pullback to the trend line and getting long here at 337 for a lower risk entrance, and then taking my profit immediately. I mean, we can go on and see how fast this trade was. And if you don't do that, now these things are quick trades. They're very fast trades because you can see here we broke down to, you know, this area of support until we then saw a really nice move. So if you're going to do trades like this, trend line breaks, retests, make them quick, take your profit, and don't sit and hold and hope. Because if I did that, then I'd be down here at this point, $170. Not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a quick scalp. So that's what we did. Quick scalp back up to previous highs. I got 341, basically the top of this candle before we dropped to 325. So this was a super fast trade. And I'll show you guys here on my fills. Right here, we got in at 8:14 and 14 seconds and got out 23 seconds later. A lot of my trades today were that fast. So 71.25. This is 11th straight green day for me. And in this type of market, very happy with taking that profit. And I'm taking it quick. I'm taking lower size, not holding for a long time until the market proves that, okay, we bottomed out, then we could get in longer trades. But for right now, I'm just not trusting it enough to hold, and I want to be in and out. If I don't get that move immediately, then I'm looking to cut it. All right. So that's it, guys, for me. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Hit the thumbs up for me. I'll see you back on Monday. Take care, guys.